And hi, this is video number 2 for um, hacking course. This video I will teach you how to install the virtual machine, the virtual box, and how to run Kali Linux as an operating system. So the first thing I will give you the links. This is for the virtual box. You go into the link, and this is the link, and you go into the Windows, whatever the operating system in your laptop. If it's Windows 10, Windows 7, so you press Windows. If you have Linux distributions, you just go on Linux. If you got others, all supported. So, okay, we will need the extension pack later, way later, not now. And yeah, you press here, it will download here. Uh, I'm showing you. I just paused it because I already have it. It will be about 200, 300 megabytes. So I'll just cancel the download. Okay. And the second website is this one. I will leave it in under the description of the video. This is for the Kali Linux. I see the website for it. This is how it will be. Don't press here, press here. Click on the Kali Linux if you are using 64-bit or 32. I would recommend the 64, but if your laptop is 32-bit, so it's fine. But don't press here, press here. Press on the image name. Okay? It will download, and this is about 2.5 gigabytes or 3 gigabytes. So it's up to you. If you have enough in your laptop, just do that. Now, when you open the VirtualBox, you go into the new one. You make a new machine. There's two ways. It's either you go into there should be Kali here. Never mind. I don't want that. Here it's Kali. So we'll just go into the folders where you will see the Kali Linux. It's here. Just press on it. And okay, with me for some reason it's not working. I think I don't have enough memory anymore, or something wrong with it. I'm not sure. Kali, please test. Let's create it. It will show up after you download it. Oh, it's downloaded the wrong system. Let's go back into Linux. Other. It's not showing Kali here. I'm not really sure why, but I'll put it on 2 gigabytes, and I will use the Kali Linux. Well, we can try to start it. This is how you start it. Go right click, you go start, then normal start. This is how you start it. Start, normal start. Okay. Let's see how it is running. Okay, it worked. This is Kali Linux, and this is how you press it. You just press enter or just leave it, it will just run itself. And Wait for it, it will take a while. That's why I have it open. I have it already open. I have it already open for you. So when we go to sign out, no, don't restart. It will take forever. Um, when you go to sign out, I don't never sign out before. Always just power it off. Okay. When you sign in, the username is root and the password is TOOR. It's reversed. I will write it for you under the username. Root is the username. This is the password. TOOR. This is the password. This is the password. Okay, this is the password. So root and we're in. I will show you what we will be using in the next videos, and just to have an idea about what we will be doing, I will teach you a few commands. I will show you a few commands, and we will see if it's helpful for you or not. Do you remember this word from video 1? If you don't remember it, go back to video 1. There's analysis, and there is database assessments, password attacks, wireless attacks, and the sniffing, that's for networks, and too many things here we'll be using. Okay, the next video we will be working here on the terminal, and we will be installing the terminator, which allow us to use more than one terminal in one window. So like this terminal will be split horizontally or vertically. So I'll show you that in the next video. I just did the apt-get to update. I always do that every time I open my Cal Linux. And don't close it, wait until it says done. You see the last word is done. So it's done now. Okay. Now I'll power off the machine. Powered off. The machine is powered off now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions while installing the lab. And goodbye. See you on next video, video 3. Bye.